Welcome back mga ka-Joy, and Shell has its Mindanao leg for its It's All Good media launching. It is a jam-packed launching in which there are a lot of services being introduced, and it's all good. And there are 4 stops for this launching. We have first Shell Cafe, in which we had our free coffee in here, and it's really a tasty one. Next stop is the Shell Helix Oil Exchange, in which in this area it has been explained that what are the things that the car will experience whenever you are going to avail of the shale oil exchange services of Shell, and it's all good. You will notice here there are a lot of things being used, and you will also notice that they are going to make some baseline of your oil and then what it will be after it has been changed. And there more equipment and apparatus were shown for the oil exchange services here at Shell. It's all good. And the third stop is this Shell Advanced Motor Care Express, and you're going to see here a lot of motorcycle drivers and enthusiasts having a fun learning about the lubricants in here. And the final stop is at this Shell Fleet, and then you are going to win here some prizes after using these ping pong balls. And here I also won just like that, very easy.
Yes, thanks much.
And those were the stops during the It's All Good Shell Mindanao leg for its media launch. And then there are also a lot of information given, and it is really exciting to visit any Shell Moto Care Express and have some oil exchange.
Shell Advanced Volunteer Express now has over 250 locations across the country, and this is part of Shell's commitment to serve every Filipino rider with straightforward and hassle-free oil change service that is worth their time.
And with this It's All Good campaign by Shell, there are more partnerships being sealed during this event. And then it is going to be a very fruitful partnership with Shell and other institutions.
That your oil change is all good. And again, with our recently launched community scholarship efforts, you also do good with every oil change, allowing us to make yours and others' lives.
Event in Manila last week, and we're so happy to be here so that we can share the news to our customers like yourselves here in Davao. They love it. So talaga po ginanahan sila sa aming new services. So marami po nagpag-in. Super
That's all mga ka-joy. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Goodbye!